Hi everyone! In this video we're gonna continue our series of ranking random products to the first page. In the previous part we did go with the letter E, so right now we're gonna go with the letter F. And let's search for a product. Let's go with the flag. But before we choose a product, we need to choose a page that we're gonna rank our product from. So random number generator is gonna help us with that. As usual, let's go from 10 to 20. Generate page number 12. Alright, let's go to the page number 12. Page equal 12. Page number 12. And let's look for a product. I'm gonna choose this one. And this is the product. It's not very popular. It has only 23 reviews. And for this video, please imagine that this is your product. It's not popular because it's on the page number 12 and it doesn't have any badges like bestseller badge or popular now badge, but we're gonna change that by the end of the video, so stay tuned. So to rank this product to the first page, we're gonna need to do two things. The first thing is copy our listing ID that you can find in a URL and drop it in our ranking tool. And then copy our keyword, the same keyword that we searched for, flag, and drop it in our ranking tool. And that's it. Right now we need to wait for a couple of days till the product gets to the first page. So see you soon. Okay, so 3 days has passed. We received a notification from the tool that the product is successfully on the first page, so let's check that out. But before we do that, we need to clean our cookies because Etsy is giving us suggestions based on our search history, but we don't want these suggestions when we want to see if the product is really on the first page. So let's clean that out. Cookies, Etsy, and delete. And boom! We have a clear page. Right now we search for our keyword and for our product that is supposed to be on the first page. And yep, it is on the first page. It has the badge popular now because it got to the first page and it started making some sales. It may be even a bestseller. Yes, it is a bestseller. So in a matter of 3 days, a product from the page 12 got to the page 1 and became a bestseller thanks to us. Imagine if your product got to the page 12 or 18 or 20 or even 50 to the first page. And we did that only for one keyword. If you like how our tool works, you can contact us at any moment. All links are in the description. We will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.